Hey guys, my name's John Erickson. I'm located in Los Angeles, California. I'm available for the shoot dates. I've been playing golf ever since I was a little kid. I literally grew up with a golf club in my hand. Played a lot back east, high school, college, Division One, and then now that I'm out here in the West Coast, I'm playing almost every weekend. And if I can catch a tee time during the week, get out of the office. Well, I guess I work remotely now, so it doesn't matter. You'll see me out there playing. I'm a scratch handicap, and I think you'll see in my videos I've got a pretty good swing. I've had a lot of training lessons over the years. I actually coach my friends. So thanks a lot. Alexa, play my Deep Focus playlist. Alexa, reorder golf balls. Alexa, play my Deep Focus playlist. Alexa, reorder golf balls.